This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting cups, specifically these Voga Melamine tasting cups. We have the 6-ounce square white Voga cup, which you can see has that nice flared design. It's 3 inches across by 2 3/4 inches high. We also have the 9-ounce round incline cup, which is 3 inches in diameter and also 3 inches in height in the front. They're made from premium BPA-free melamine that is scratch and shatter resistant for a durable, long-lasting service piece. They've got a nice, stylish, and fashionable presentation, and they're a great way for presenting sauces, condiments, small bites, apps, tasting menu portions, samples, and desserts. They can be hand washed, or these can also be washed in the top rack of your dishwasher. Since they're made of melamine, it's important to keep in mind that they are not safe to use in the microwave, and they're also not safe to use in your oven. They do have some great benefits though, being made of melamine. They're lightweight, much lighter than porcelain, so they're easier to carry, transport, and handle. You also don't have to worry about breakage with these, so there's no worry about cleaning up broken glass or replacing broken porcelain items. They're perfect for restaurants, caterers, cafeterias, hotels, or any establishment looking for a unique service and sampling piece.